Today I'm going to show you how to use the Bissell Little Green Hydrosteam to clean up a mess. We're going to go through the process step by step. Now it does come with two cleaning attachments, so you'll just pick the one that's best suited for your needs. I'll show you them both as we go through the video here. To start, you will remove the clean water tank, open the cap, and fill it with tap water. You can use warm or cold water, it really doesn't matter. Just do not use hot or boiling water over 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You do have two fill lines on the back of the container. You've got one for a small area or a large area. Pick which one you want, fill it up to the first line with water, and then fill it up the rest of the way with cleaning solution. Once it's filled, you can close the lid and put it back on the machine. Make sure that it is fully seated. Before cleaning, it's always a good idea to vacuum up any loose dirt or solid debris. Today we're cleaning up a fresh mess, so we're not going to be doing any vacuuming first. Now you can pick the cleaning mode that's right for you. You do have three options for cleaning with this machine. You have steam and spray, you have just spray, or you have just steam. If you are using one of the steam modes, it does take about 30 seconds for that steam to get ready. You do have a nice light here indicating when the steam is ready. On the handle, you will pull and hold the spray trigger to start dispensing solution and steam. When starting out, you want to pull the trigger and hold it for about 10 seconds to prime the machine. This will get a steady stream flowing. For best results, you can hold the tool a few inches above the stain and spray the area first. Then you'll let go of the trigger and use the bristles on the scrub tool to gently work the stain. After that, you will tilt the tool forward so that the suction channel makes a good solid contact with the surface that you're cleaning, and then slowly pull the tool backwards over the area to lift up the dirt, water, debris. Everything's going to get sucked up and into your machine. And then you can just repeat this process until you're satisfied with how the stain is cleaning up. So you'll spray, you'll scrub, you'll extract. Now when using steam mode, it is normal for some liquid to come out first before the steam gets going. Keep holding the trigger, be patient, give it about 5 or 10 seconds until the steam becomes consistent. As you clean, you do want to keep an eye on the dirty water tank. If the sound of the machine changes or the suction drops, that means that the dirty water tank is full and needs to be emptied. And that's the basic process of using the Bissell Little Green Hydrosteam. So of course you're going to fill it up, pick your spray mode, spray, scrub, extract, and repeat as necessary. Now it does come with a smaller scrub tool that I have found to be really good for deeper, more stubborn stains. The steam and spray comes directly out of the middle of it, and I like that because it allows the steam and water to directly contact the material that I'm cleaning. You can swap out the tools by pressing the little lever on the handle, pull the tool off, and then swap out to whichever tool you want to use. For cleanup, you can use the hose rinse tool that comes with the machine. You'll just take off any scrub tool that you have and put that hose rinse tool on in place of one of the scrubbing tools. This is basically a little cap that is going to recirculate your water and cleaning solution through your machine as you use it. So once that hose rinse tool is in place, you'll just pull and hold the trigger for about 30 seconds. This is just spraying water and cleaning solution, and it's getting sucked right back up, going through the hose and into your machine, and it's going to clear out any dirt, dust, or debris still in the hose. When you're all done here, just release the trigger, give it another 30 seconds or so to clear out any standing water. Now, if you don't have the hose rinse tool, it's okay. You can just vacuum up a bowl of water. I like to use about 2 cups of clean tap water, and this works great. Just put it in a bowl, stick the end of the hose into that, and suck up the water. Again, leave the vacuum and machine on for an additional 30 seconds to clear out any standing water. Now you can remove the dirty water tank, lift the handle over the lid and back until the lid releases. Then you can remove the lid and discard any dirty water. And now it's time to clean everything up. You can rinse everything out, and the tools do come apart, which is really nice, making it super easy to clean because you're going to get hair and stuff that gets stuck in these tools. Now you can set everything aside to dry, allow it to dry, put it all back together, and store it for future use. And that's it. That's how you use your Bissell Little Green Hydrosteam. I hope that was helpful.